Despite being a bit long in the tooth, the Audi A6 continues to be one of the easiest recommendations we make to family and friends searching for a nice, competent luxury sedan. It's set to be replaced by an all-new 2019 model soon, but that didn't stop us from including the current model in our editor's choice list for 2018. Its agile handling, snazzy looks, comfortable cabin, and long list of features amount to a well-rounded package that's undeniably appealing. The standard turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder provides plenty of gumption, but the optional supercharged 3.0-litre V6 really gives the A6 its legs. Front-wheel drive is standard, but we'd recommend the all-wheel drive model, which features Audi's legendary Quattro brand name and all-season stability. It's rare that a car at the tail end of its product cycle remains this competitive. Simply put, the next generation A6 has big shoes to fill. High's confident handling, zesty V6 acceleration, spacious and well-built cabin. Low's small infotainment display, expensive active safety tech, tricky brakes. Verdict: don't let its business-like look fool you, the A6 also knows how to party. What's new for 2018? The slightly more powerful 340 horsepower versus 333 horsepower version of the supercharged 3.0-litre V6 from last year's competition model is now standard on any A6 wearing the 3.0T badge on its trunk lid. The base premium trim gains navigation and a proximity key. A new sport trim joins the lineup and can be had with either the turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder or the V6. Choosing the sport trim adds 19-inch wheels, black exterior and interior trim, and a sport suspension with a ride height that is slightly lower than the standard A6. The mid-range Premium Plus trim is slightly updated with LED interior lighting and headlamps. The top-spec Prestige model now comes with a 360-degree exterior camera system as standard. Instead of a standalone competition model, Audi is now offering a competition package on V6-powered Premium Plus and Prestige trims, which includes red brake calipers, black mirror caps, 20-inch wheels with summer tires, a sport suspension, and a reworked Quattro all-wheel drive system. Inside, the competition package adds sport seats with diamond stitching, brushed aluminum trim, and a flat-bottomed steering wheel with shift paddles. What was new for 2017? A number of exterior styling enhancements kept the A6 looking fresh in 2017. The previously optional S-Line appearance package was made standard, and new wheel designs were added to differentiate them from the 2016 models. The optional black optics exterior styling package added a gloss black front grille and window trimming. A driver assistance package added lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic high beam headlamps, automated emergency braking, and a 360-degree exterior camera system. The big news for 2017 was the addition of the competition model, which received a sport-tuned suspension, a flat-bottom steering wheel, sport seats, either aluminium or piano black interior trim, red painted brake calipers, and a 340 horsepower version of the supercharged 3.0-litre V6. Trims and options we'd choose. We're fans of confidence-inspiring sports sedans, and the A6 is one of our favorites. To dial in even more athleticism, we'd opt for the new sport trim. In addition to its sport-tuned suspension with a 0.8-inch drop in ride height, it adds a host of appearance items to the A6's exterior, including dark grey 19-inch wheels, black exterior trim, grille surround, and windowsills, gloss black mirror caps. We'd stick with the turbocharged 2.0-litre inline-four, but we'd opt for Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system for $2,200. Pricing starts at $54,375 before any options, which we'd skip anyway. And unless white or black paint works for you, you'll pay another $575 to add a color to the A6's exterior. With its base four-cylinder power, the A6 is a quiet, practical, and efficient luxury car. With the supercharged V6 under the hood, it's a sleeper sedan capable of sports car-like acceleration. What's new for 2018? Last year's competition model is gone from the lineup, but its 340 horsepower supercharged 3.0-litre V6 remains. Buyers can no longer spec the slightly less powerful 333 horsepower version of this engine, and the rest of the A6's powertrain carries over without any changes. Buyers get a choice of a 252 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder or an optional 333 horsepower supercharged 3.0-litre V6 340 horsepower in the competition model. Front-wheel drive and a 7-speed automatic are standard with the four-cylinder, and Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is available as an option, paired with an 8-speed automatic. All V6-powered models come with all-wheel drive and the 8-speed automatic transmission. The Turbo 4 provides plenty of pep when motoring around town, especially once the turbocharger kicks in, and power is adequate for merging into traffic. It's quite smooth in operation but sounds uninspired in comparison with the throaty V6. The V6 is genuinely quick. Nail the throttle, and the supercharged A6 leaps forward with nary a chirp of the tires. But that extra performance costs. Opting for the V6 over the Turbo 4 will empty your piggy bank of an additional $7,000. Equipped with the turbocharged 2.0-litre inline four, the A6 is reasonably efficient. What's surprising are the supercharged V6's ratings, which are perilously close to the four-cylinder's numbers, a boon for enthusiast drivers who still care about fuel economy. What's new for 2018? The A6's fuel economy ratings have altered slightly for 2018. All-wheel drive models with the 2.0-litre Turbo 4 see an increase in the combined rating to 26 miles per gallon. While cars with the V6 see a slight reduction in both city and combined ratings, to 20 and 23 miles per gallon respectively. Despite these tweaks, we reckon the 2018 A6 would deliver similar performance in our testing. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out and back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. While the 2.0-litre turbocharged powertrain matched its EPA estimation, our A6 competition test car pulled off an even more efficient run, beating its EPA highway fuel economy number by a significant margin. It even offers a longer range than the more efficient BMW 530iX drive thanks to its slightly larger fuel tank. Encounter a twisty section of road and the A6 is a driver's delight. It's quick with the V6, agile no matter the trim level, and still manages a civilized ride. What's new for 2018? A sport suspension, once available only with the supercharged V6. Is now available with the turbocharged 2.0-litre inline four via the new sports trim level. The performance numbers we recorded for the 2017 A6 should apply to 2018 models as well. Acceleration got a need for speed. The supercharged 3.0-litre V6 is the option for you, and upgrading to the competition model bumps power from 333 to 340 horsepower. Its acceleration won't embarrass a Porsche 911, but its performance is up toward the sharp end of this segment. More of a laid-back luxury-minded driver? The 252 horsepower turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder will satisfy your needs with its more than adequate acceleration. Ride, handling, and steering. The A6 is a quietly athletic car. Its suspension keeps body roll in check easily in high-speed corners, but its steering wheel broadcasts precious little information from the front wheels. Still, the A6, especially with Quattro all-wheel drive, is predictable and easy to drive quickly on twisty stretches of road. When driven sedately, the A6 coddles its passengers with a ride that even Asgard, winter-beat and Michigan roads can't perturb. Breaking in our testing, the A6 was one of the strongest performers in our 70 designation for emergency braking maneuver. But out on the road, the brakes told a different story. Press on the pedal, and the A6 begins to slow, but it doesn't scrub speed as quickly as you think. That requires a firmer stab of the pedal, which causes a jerky braking experience. This is likely something owners would become accustomed to after some time behind the wheel, but why should they have to in such an otherwise refined automobile?